Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets to whip up your favorite recipes? Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to this Abuler Immersion Blender handheld hand blender. 1000 watts 5-in-1 hand mixer stick. A versatile, powerful, and compact kitchen tool that's about to revolutionize your cooking game. Whether you're blending smoothies, pureeing soups, or frothing milk for your morning latte, this BPA-free, 12-speed handheld blender is designed to make meal prep effortless, efficient, and downright fun. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Abuler Immersion Blender is a must-have for every home chef, from busy parents to culinary enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details and discover why this 5-in-1 wonder is trending across kitchens. Solving your kitchen chaos. Cooking can be a joy, but it often comes with challenges. Bulky appliances taking up space, time-consuming prep, and tools that just don't deliver the results you want. The Abuler Immersion Blender tackles these pain points head-on. Struggling to blend hot soups without transferring them to a bulky blender? This handheld stick blender lets you puree directly in the pot. Tired of uneven smoothies or lumpy sauces? The 1000 watts motor and 12 speed settings ensure silky smooth results every time. Need to whip up baby food or froth milk for a cappuccino? The 5-in-1 attachments have you covered, saving time and reducing cleanup. This isn't just a blender. It's a solution to your kitchen woes. Why the Abuler Immersion Blender stands out. The Abuler Immersion Blender isn't your average kitchen tool. Its thoughtful design, powerful performance, and versatility make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations. Here's a closer look at what makes this 5-in-1 handheld blender a game-changer. Unmatched power with 1000 watts motor. The 1000-watt motor delivers professional-grade blending power, effortlessly tackling tough ingredients like frozen fruits, fibrous vegetables, and even meat. The Turbo Boost mode kicks it up a notch for those extra challenging tasks, ensuring you get the perfect consistency in seconds. 5-in-1 versatility. This isn't just a blender, it's a multi-tool. The package includes an emulsion blender, a 16 ounces per 500 milliliters food processor, a 20 ounces per 600 milliliters beaker, a milk frother, and an electric egg whisk. From smoothies and soups to whipped cream and cake batters, this blender handles it all. 12-speed precision control. With 12 adjustable speed settings, you can fine-tune the blending process to achieve your desired texture. Whether it's a chunky salsa or a velvety puree, the ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfortable control, even during extended use. BPA-free and durable materials. Made with 304 stainless steel blades and BPA-free plastic, this blender is built to last while keeping your food safe and healthy. The scratch-resistant blade guard protects your cookware, so you can blend in any pot or pan without worry. Compact and space-saving. Unlike bulky countertop blenders, the Abuler's sleek design saves valuable kitchen space, making it ideal for small apartments or minimalist kitchens. Effortless assembly and cleaning. The snap-on slash-off attachments make switching between tasks a breeze, and most parts are dishwasher-safe, except the motor unit and chopper lid, which wipe clean with a damp cloth. Rinse blades immediately after processing salty foods to maintain their condition. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. The Abuler Immersion Blender doesn't just perform, it transforms how you cook. Here are the top 3 benefits that make it a kitchen essential. Time-saving efficiency. The powerful 1000 watts motor and Turbo Boost mode cut down prep time, letting you whip up smoothies, soups, and sauces in minutes. No more transferring hot liquids or wrestling with heavy appliances. Versatile functionality. With 5 attachments, this blender handles a wide range of tasks. Blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing, reducing the need for multiple gadgets and simplifying your workflow. Easy maintenance. The detachable, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a snap, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time scrubbing. Perfect for every home chef. Who's the ideal user for the Abuler Immersion Blender? This 5-in-1 powerhouse is perfect for busy parents. Quickly whip up nutritious baby food, smoothies, or pureed soups for the whole family, even on hectic weeknights. Health-conscious cooks. Blend fresh, natural ingredients into smoothies, protein shakes, or homemade salad dressings to support a healthy lifestyle. Culinary enthusiasts experiment with sauces, dips, chutneys, and meringues with precise control over texture and consistency. Small space dwellers. Its compact design is a lifesaver for apartment kitchens or anyone looking to declutter their countertops. Coffee lovers. The milk frother attachment creates cafe-quality foam for lattes and cappuccinos at home, saving you a trip to the coffee shop. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the Abuler Immersion blender adapts to your needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Real-world performance. My experience. I put the Abuler Immersion blender to the test, and it exceeded my expectations. Blending a creamy pumpkin soup directly in the pot was a game-changer. No more splashing hot liquid into a blender jar. The 1000 watts motor powered through chunks of roasted vegetables in seconds, delivering a velvety texture that rivaled restaurant-quality soups. The milk frother attachment turned my morning coffee into a barista-worthy latte, with rich, creamy foam that held up beautifully. I also used the chopper to make a quick salsa, and the 12-speed settings let me control the chunkiness perfectly. The ergonomic handle felt comfortable even during longer blending sessions, and cleanup was a breeze with the dishwasher-safe parts. My only note? Be sure to rinse the blades immediately after blending salty ingredients to keep them in top shape. Addressing potential concerns. No product is perfect, and the Abuler Immersion blender is no exception. Some users have reported issues with the plastic bell attachment cracking after repeated use, particularly with heavy-duty tasks. While I didn't experience this during my testing, it's worth handling the attachments with care and contacting Abuler's 24/7 customer support if issues arise. The motor unit isn't submersible, so you'll need to wipe it down carefully to avoid damage. These minor drawbacks are easily outweighed by the blender's versatility, power, and affordability, especially when compared to pricier brands like Vitamix or KitchenAid. Why choose Abuler over competitors? In a crowded market of immersion blenders, the Abuler stands out for its combination of power, versatility, and value. While brands like Breville and Vitamix offer high-end models, they often come with a heftier price tag and fewer attachments. The Abuler's 1000 watts motor rivals the performance of more expensive blenders, and its 5-in-1 functionality means you're getting multiple tools for the price of one. Compared to budget options like Amazon Basics, the Abuler's BPA-free materials and durable stainless steel blades offer superior safety and longevity. Plus, its compact design makes it a better fit for small kitchens than bulky countertop blenders. The Abuler Immersion blender isn't just a tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It empowers you to create healthy, delicious meals with ease. Whether you're blending a post-workout smoothie, pureeing veggies for a cozy soup, or frothing milk for a decadent dessert, its compact design, powerful performance, and easy cleanup make it a no-brainer for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine without sacrificing quality. Don't let kitchen chaos hold you back. Grab the Abuler Immersion blender and start creating culinary masterpieces today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.